All right, I'm out here at the farm. I just got done planting two 50-foot beds of carrots. I got one 50-foot bed of Scarlet Nance. I'm gonna try to maybe do something like a carrot dog. See if I can market those for that. We'll see. If not, they'll be good carrots. And then also the short and sweets. So nice little guys there. As you can see, everything's looking pretty good. I've got roughly around 30% of this 50 by 50 bed or 55-50 plot worked out and bedded up. I've got 5 beds in so far. I've got this bed right here full of lettuce. This one right here, Swiss chard, kale, and lettuce. And we've got arugula with spinach, and then we've got carrots and carrots. So going pretty good so far. A lot of hard work out here. It's hot. But one thing I did want to say is that with the carrots, I've heard a lot that if you let the carrots dry out, they're toast. And so I'm planting them today because we're supposed to have rain for the next 4 or 5 days pretty consistently. And so I'm putting them in here now this afternoon. Hopefully we'll get some rain tonight. I wetted them down really good. And then we'll hopefully have some more rain the next couple of days, so that keeps them nice and moist, so the bed's nice and moist, and so those seeds can germinate. And hopefully we'll have a good carrot crop. That'd be awesome. I'd really love that. I've got more arugula started in the nursery, and then I've got some lettuce. I need to get some more lettuce started in the nursery, and then I also need to get what else? I got beets started in the nursery, so I'm gonna get some beets out here and then a few radishes. So that's kind of the plan for now. That's kind of all I got. Stay tuned for more happening on the farm, and then as you know, there's a lot happening in the kitchen. But I'm Plant-Based Gabriel. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this or me in the kitchen, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button so that when I post a video, you are one of the first to know. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Have a good one.